about how to forget the past or how to stop living in the past. So guys, I'm gonna tell you 4 simple steps to follow to overcome your past and to fully live the present moment of your life. So please watch this video till the end and let's begin. So guys, the first step going to be change your attitude. Guys, if you constantly focus on the negative things that had happened in the past, then your life gets stuck in the past. And when you focus on those type of events and circumstances, then you're gonna attract the same events and circumstances you have experienced before. So whatever had happened, it happened, right? We can't change it. So thinking about all the heartbreaks and the things you have lost, or any kind of negative events, or the not so proud of situations, then you are creating nothing in your life, guys. So what you have to do is rewire your thoughts with positive one. So start to think like, I'm going to be best, I'm a winner of my life, and my past is just a past. It's a history, it's over. Now nothing can stop me, and my past cannot strap me down. So guys, if you every day tell yourself like this, bravely and loudly, then you're gonna get control of it. And no one can use your past against you because you have started to overcome it, right? So do this, guys. This is a really foremost step to do to forget or overcome your past. Now step number 2, cut off negative friends or people. Guys, now this is something really to think about. I mean, there are some friends in our lives which are doing nothing but just slowing us down in our life. And if you have not such type of people in your life, then congratulations. But if you have these type of people, and especially friends in your life, then cut them off, guys. I mean, it's not wrong to cut off friendship which is blocking your purpose in your life. And if you want positivity in your life, then negative people have to go, right? So guys, just stay away from these type of friends that make you feel low and remind you the things you have done wrong in your past, okay? And guys, by doing this, it can be lonely, and in fact it can be a friendless situation, but this is the price you can easily pay for to be where you want to be, where you mean to be, where you desire to be, right? Guys, now step number 3 is make new dreams and purpose for your life. Guys, the best way to forget the past is setting goals for the future, right? So just realize that this is not an end. This can be a new beginning, right? Realize your potentials, your capabilities to achieve everything that you want to achieve, right? So guys, just start to envision yourself doing good things in your life, just like getting dream job, or expanding your business, or finding your soulmate, or traveling to the best destination of the world, or whatever, and start working for it. Focus on your goals, focus on your dreams. This is the best way to forget the past. Now the last step is learn to forgive. Guys, one thing that kills us emotionally and mentally is the ego of unforgiveness. Guys, holding any kind of grudges and bitterness against someone is like, eating poison and expecting someone else to die, right? So this is not going to help you. So just forgive whoever had done wrong to you in the past, and just let them go. And any kind of you have the grudges in your heart, just release it. Just look at them and say, I forgive you, with a smile. Now it can be a little difficult, but you have to do it, no matter how bad they have done to you. But just let them go and forgive them. Guys, by doing this, you are releasing yourself from the cage you have locked yourself in. So guys, just replace your negative emotions with positive one, the hate with love, okay? So guys, we are repeating once again the 4 steps you have to follow to forget your past. And number 1 is change your mindset. Number 2, cut off the negative friends. Number 3, make new plans for your future. And number 4, learn to forgive, okay? So guys, just follow these steps and just let go of your past and just be in the present moment and just enjoy your life, guys, okay?